If you're confused about call, apply, bind, this video is for you. The main problem is how JavaScript handles this. Sometimes it works and sometimes it just disappears. Here we have a simple function that says hello with a name and a city. Let's try this with call. I use the say hello function that I mentioned before and give it the Sora object along with Amsterdam and Netherlands as arguments. When I click call button, you see the result is fine. Call runs the function right now and arguments are passed one by one. Now let's try it with apply. Apply also runs it right now, same as call, but the arguments as you see go inside an array. Now I click apply button and you see the result is fine too. Finally, it's bind turn. First, bind doesn't run immediately. It creates a new version of the function with this locked. As you see result, here is also fine. So what's the problem? Look at this code. Based on we've learned, we expect see my app started, but we got undefined. The reason is when you pass a method like this, it loses its context. That's why this becomes undefined. Bind fixes that by attaching the method back to its owner. Now we have the expected result. Here's the quick recap. Call says, I'll do it now. Apply says, I'll do it now, but give me an array. Bind says, no, I'll do it later, but I remember who I am. Alright, before we finished, I've got 2 quick challenges for you. In challenge 1, what's the output of each line and why do they behave the same or different? And in challenge 2, tell me why does this print undefined and how would you fix it? Type your answer in the comments, I'll check them.